Hey queens, and we're back with another glam transformation. If you want to see how we did this look, then keep on watching.
You ready, queens? Well, let's go.
Laugh now, cry later. Ain't no love for a hater. You was running behind some hoes, I was chasing that paper. Keep your distance from them niggas, they ain't really fucking with you. Same niggas who was down for the money, they gon' switch up. Laugh now, cry later. Ain't no love for a hater.
Video, her hair is already prepped and ready to go. Her eyebrows already done. I have an eyebrow tutorial on my channel, of course. Go ahead and check that out if you haven't, and if you have, go ahead and watch it again, sweetie. So right now I am just doing her eye work. I'm using two Juvia's Place palettes. I love Juvia's Place. I'm using the Afrique palette. And in the Afrique palette, I am using that dark burgundy shade, which is in her crease. And I'm also using the Magic Mini palette, which is that bright pink shadow that is slightly above her crease. Right now, I am just cutting that crease out using my NYX white eyeshadow base so that we can let that crease come on out, honey, so it can pop with a P. Of course, like I said in my other videos, when I am blending those eyeshadows, yes, I am using those two colors. I'll go back and blend, but I'm also using a clean eyeshadow brush on top just so that I can make sure that everything is seamless, because I don't want it to just go straight bam pow into a color. Okay, so just make sure that before you cut that crease that those colors are blended. That's the only way that you'll be able to see those colors pop in person. Like on camera, you know, it's kind of touch and go. You won't probably be able to see it as well, but in person, if your blend is on point, you will be able to see every single color that you put down. Okay, so just always make sure that that blend is on point before you go ahead and cut the crease, if that's what you decide to do, cut the crease. All right, just a little tip. Okay, so now I am just taking a pretty silver pigment. This is from either Belle Cosmetics or Bella. I think it's Belle Pierre or Bella Pierre, one or the other. Anyway, it is a silver pigment, and I'm just building that up on each eye until I am satisfied. This was a free promo, so I can't exactly tell you where you would be able to get this particular pigment, but of course any pigment would do. Now I am just taking a blue liner and I'm just tracing out that cut crease. So at the top of that cut crease where it is meeting the other color, I'm just tracing it out with my blue liner. Okay, so now I am just going over that liner with some blue glitter. This is like a glitter mix that I made. It is both chunky and like the very fine glitter with a little bit of silver reflex in it. Anyhow, I am just building it up. Originally, I was just going to do the line, but then I was like, well, what the hell? I may as well bring it down a little bit. So I am just filling in where I want the glitter to be, and I'm just filling that up with some blue glitter. Okay, going back into that Magic Mini palette, I'm going to take that dark blue shade and just place that on the corners of her eyelid just to kind of smoke out the corners. I'm not even going to try to pronounce that because I already know it's going to be a failure, and I'm not even trying to play myself like that, but my dog, like for real. Anyway, I'm going to take the NYC liner, line her eyes, and then clean up her glitter fallout from her face with a makeup wipe. Okay, now I'm just priming her face, and eyelashes popped on. Yes, come on, lash. And then here goes the foundation and concealer. I use the same foundation routine that I did in my previous video, so again, go ahead and watch it. Like, you ain't got nothing else to do, like, for real though. Like, just go ahead and go ahead and take a glimpse, sweetie, and tell your cousin them too. Okay, so I'm just blending out that foundation and that concealer. Then I'm going to set her face. I set her face using the La Mercier translucent powder. And we're gonna contour, blush, ole.
Never let me down. I love the way you hold me down, girl. No, no. Yeah, you hold me down. She said she never let me down. No. Never let me down. You see my lady hold me down, yeah.
Okay, so to pull the whole eye look together, I'm going to take a little bit of black mixed with that blue color, and I'm going to place that underneath her eye. I'm also going to take a silver and place that right on top, just to give it like a little bit of pop. Spray her down, of course, get rid of that powdery look, and of course press that on in with my powder brush. Y'all know how I do. And on goes the highlighter. It's not going to be a wham bam highlighter in your face because we're already doing a lot with the eyes. You know, it's a full glam, and of course, you know, her face is snatched, so I try not to do the whole 9. Like when I do a full glam, like something has to be toned down. I'm not going to give you bold eyes, bold highlighter, and bold lips. Something has to take a back seat, and her hair is bold as well, so something has to take a back seat. Of course, it's going to be the highlighter and her lips. I am going to do like a nude look on her lips, and like a simple gloss, and that is it. Okay, we want to do like pop and shit, but we don't want to be, you know what I'm saying, like we don't want to be extra. This was her maternity shoot. She was a great client, y'all. She trusted me. She was just like, I just want to slay, and I was like, girl, this is what I'm here to do. Like, your wish is my command, sis. Like, of course. So anyway, I'm just going to take down her curls. They was pinned up for a good while. Of course, you know, I'm gonna take my time. This glam, it took a minute, especially because I was winging it as I go, and that's basically how I do almost every look, unless, you know, something else happened. But I basically just wing it all. Anyway, I'm just taking down her curls, and I'm going to brush it out, spray the curls down again with some holding spray, and then we just gonna come back to you with the finish look. Okay.
So won't you lean on my shoulder? Ay, all I want to be is your soldier. And when the season gets colder, I promise to hold you down. Oh, na na na, ram pa pa pam, ram pa pa pam pam. Baby, just tickle me they go, and I say ram pa pa pam, ram pa pa pam pam. Your loving just tickle me they go, and I say just tickle me they go. Baby, just tickle me they go. Your loving never show. Baby, just tickle me they go. You see my lady hold me down.
Okay, y'all, and here we have it. This is the final look. I really and truly enjoy doing this look. Yes, girl, you are serving the maternity ward. Okay, yes, all with the baby in your belly, sweetie. Yes, okay. This is the final look, guys. I really enjoy doing this look. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos like this and more videos ahead. I have a lot more content that I want to give to you all, and a lot of things that I want to share with you all. So don't forget to share, you guys. You enjoy the rest of your day. Bye-bye.